What's good with the gang? What's good with the squad? What's good with that nation? It's your boy Scoop, and you already know what time it is, man. It's time to hop in another video reaction, man. We about to hop into Terry Hoover, man. Song is called What's the Bet? Shot by Manzano Bros. So without further ado, spark up, tap in, and zone out with your boy. Let's get it.
Dark skin niggas get money too, This light skin nigga ain't the only one with no money, man. This is all off this block, though. Nigga.
Okay.
This is all off this concrete right here, man. Nigga, I don't know nothing else. Concrete funds.
Concrete funds.
Yeah, this is concrete funds.
What's the bet? I've been trying to get on. I'm to the neck, baby, bottles of cologne. Niggas my pets, they be copying them slow. What you expect when you obviously go, huh? Cop a check until a baby draw the boat. Can never dress when your neck full of dough. Fuck the best to them real niggas home. What's the best when you aiming for your dome? I'm on the ad back to back with my bros. Can't get a pass, cash your life for the clothes.
Okay.
Do a dash hella fast and get gone. Count cash, stacks of racks, hella dough, ayy.
Ooh, count cash, stacking racks, hella throw. You feel me? Hey, I fucks with this video and these motherfucking beats, man. This visual is dope as hell. Like he said, man, they in the concrete on the app with it, man. I feel him. He said, this that concrete funds.
Fucking snitching any nigga that told. Broke my heart when that nigga broke the code. Can never change, never switch, never fold. Never break, never bend, never choke. Ay, niggas nerves acting like they really geeking. Keep your word, gotta practice how you preach it. In this turf, I see niggas get depleted. With all dubs, you would think we undefeated. Ay, niggas love to throw salt when you season. Me mug and get soft, now you bleeding. Got in the club with a block, so I'm cheesing. Bitch, I'm in love with my guap, I ain't cheese. Blessed with the sauce, so they hate me, it's crazy. Niggas just mad cause they hate me, it's janky. My own niggas probably wanna take me, THB. Everywhere south, you niggas claim me. True original, you niggas sweeter than a pastry. Hollow tips hit, let it drip before you take me. Yeah, fly quick, so your bitch wanna taste me. Talking about no chips, gotta dismiss your lady.
Hey, this some fly shit right here, bro. Most definitely, I'm fucking with that, man. Most definitely, man. Shout out to y'all over there, man. Shout out to Terry Hoover, man. Keep on pushing, keep on grinding, man. Much respect. If y'all like this, make sure y'all go over there, tap in, man, and show some love, show some respect, man. Go over there, like that shit, share that shit, put that on your playlist, all that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, much love to the gang, much love to the squad, man. We out.
Y'all here, nigga, roll ass. I'll be y'all here, nigga, roll ass. Where my woe at? Where my woes at? Come through, nigga, you'll get toe tagged. Where my woes at? Where my woes at? Coming through, nigga, you'll get toe tagged.